Parkway North Improvement Project extends from the city of Pittsburgh to the Camp Horn exit. The ramp signals will be located at the southbound ramp of the Bellevue-Westview interchange. Cars entering from Union Avenue heading south will see ramp signal equipment at various locations along the ramp. At the beginning of the ramp, a flashing beacon attached to a ramp meter when flashing sign will notify drivers when the signals are operating. The ramp signals will be located at midpoint on the ramp along with signs that read "Stop here on red" and "1 vehicle per green." The ramp signal will have a red and a green light to notify drivers of when to stop and when to proceed. When the ramp signals are in operation, drivers may experience a red signal and must stop until a green signal. Upon receiving the green light, drivers are to merge normally onto 279 southbound.